What if AI stopped spoon-feeding you answers and actually taught you how to think? That's exactly what OpenAI is rolling out with a brand new study mode for ChatGPT. Instead of just dumping answers, this feature helps you work through problems step by step, forcing your brain to stay engaged. Here's how it works. When you turn on study mode, ChatGPT doesn't just tell you the solution. It gives you interactive prompts, Socratic-style questions, hints, and even quizzes. The answers are broken into clear, easy-to-follow sections that highlight connections between topics. And over time, it adapts, tailoring lessons to your skill level and even remembering what you struggled with in previous chats. Now, why does this matter? Because AI is no longer just a shortcut. With features like this, it's becoming a personal tutor. But there's a catch. Students have to choose to use it. Nothing stops someone from turning it off and going back to copy-paste answers. That means discipline and motivation still matter. OpenAI says study mode was designed with input from teachers, scientists, and learning experts. They're also planning upgrades like better visualizations, goal setting across conversations, and deeper personalization. And this move isn't happening in a vacuum. Competitors like Anthropic already launched a similar learning mode for Claude earlier this year, and Google just dropped new education-focused AI features in Search and Notebook LM. The race for student attention is heating up. If you're a student, this could be the difference between cramming facts and actually understanding them. And if you're a parent or teacher, it shows how quickly AI is shifting from a crutch into a classroom tool. Before we dive deeper, quick reminder, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Do you see AI as a teacher or just another distraction? And if you're curious how these AI upgrades are reshaping industries beyond education, check out the related video in the corner. Thanks for watching. Now go try study mode for yourself.